Hello viewers, in this video we'll see how to create a quiz using Telegram channel. Telegram is nowadays very popular, and using this Telegram you can also perform some quizzes. How to perform that task, we'll see it in a Telegram. So I'll click on Telegram. Simply I have to type something, and that is QUIZ, Quizbot. Okay, so the very first option I have got will be something, and that is a Quizbot. I'll click on that Quizbot option. Okay, in which it is saying what you can do with this. Okay, so you can create a simple quiz by using this Quizbot option. So I'll start. The moment I have started, it is asking me, this bot will help you in creating quiz with a series of multiple choice answers. Okay, so I'll click on create new quiz. The moment I have typed create a new quiz, it is asking me send me the title of quiz. So I'll simply give the name of that will be something, and that is simple quiz. Simple quiz. So this is the simple name I have given for my quiz. Once this quiz has been created, the next task, it is asking me to send the description of that quiz. So I'll simply say all questions are compulsory. So this is a simple message I am giving. All questions are compulsory. So this is the simple message I have given. Now once this message has been given, okay, so it is asking this will allows you to create a question. So I'll click on create question option which is appearing. So I'll click on create question. So I'll write a simple question. Who is very sorry who is the father of computer? Okay, so I have simply given a question, and that is who is the father of computer, and I'll try to type the names. So Bill Gates, the first name I have given. Okay, in add option I'll click, and I'll try to type the next one, and that is suppose Newton. Okay, next one I'll try to type the third option, and that is a Charles Babbage. Okay, and the last option I'll try to add Dennis Ritchie. Okay, so this way I have written the names. You can add another options if needed. Obviously answer of this question is Charles Babbage, so I'll click on that. Okay, so this way you can create a question. Okay, so in this way you can create a question, and of course voting of anonymous voting, no name appear to who has given a correct answer. So this way you can create a quiz. Okay, and I'll click on create. Okay, so this way, good, your quiz, simple quiz has been created. Okay, so this way you can add any number of question. Okay, create a question, there is again one option appearing. So in this way you can add any number of questions in your quiz. Okay, at this moment of time, just for the testing I have done it. So I'll straight away write something, and that is a done. Okay, so I just don't want to add any other question. So this is the single question I have given. Okay, next it is asking me how much time needs to be given. Okay, so I'll try to give it something 1 minute. Okay, shuffle question options, so I'll say shuffle all. So these are the options I have taken. Okay, and I'll try to say start this quiz. Okay, so in this way your quiz getting appeared. Okay, so idea is that this quiz is getting created, I am ready, and now you can share this quiz. So I can click on share this quiz. So you can choose any group to whom you would like to share this quiz, and in this way it is possible for you to create this quiz. Okay, and you can be able to test it out also. Okay, so I'll try to click over here on start a quiz. Okay, so start a quiz has been done. So this way it is possible for you to create a quiz, and it can be uploaded in any group. Okay, so this is my quiz which has been created. Okay, you can edit your quiz also by using edit option. You can edit title, you can edit description. Okay, you can perform any operation with this. Okay, so this way it is possible for you to create any quiz by using Telegram. So Telegram channel can also be used for creating quizzes also. So please try to use it. Just like suppose I have chosen a correct answer, so it is giving me a exact remark, just like over here. Okay, so suppose someone has chosen a wrong answer, so of course he is not going to get that, but as I have chosen the correct answer, so this way it is going to give me the indications that you have opted for the correct answer. So please try to use this form of quiz from Telegram. Thank you.